currently doing my hair here because we're gonna go to Derry to look for wedding rings, and this is my engagement ring. If you don't know it, I mean, I'm obsessed with it. I got engaged last November and our wedding is supposed to happen this November 2020, but as you can read it on my shirt, I don't know if it's gonna happen. Hi guys, my name is Helen Velázquez and I'm a Mexican traveler, but more so a Mexican living in Ireland. We cannot travel at the moment. Anyways, welcome to a vlog. It's actually been a while since I vlogged and I miss it. There's something about it I love. And for my people back in Mexico that can watch this, like my mom, hi mom if you're watching. So the vlog today is for my wedding journey and we're gonna go look for wedding rings. I don't have any plan, I just wanna see at least 3 stores and see what's out there, but I have a few ideas of what I want. I know I want it to fit around this one so that when I wear my wedding ring it fits perfectly, especially because this one's a teeny bit loose and I don't want to lose it. I need like something that goes on top of it perfectly and keeps it in place. Secondly, I kind of want rose gold with silver because that's the only 2 rings that I wear all the time. This is my Clada ring, which is the Irish one, so I know I want those colors and I want a really cool design, something different. So these are my inspirations and we're gonna head there now because Keith is literally coming to get me. Hi Peachy. Yes, are you ready? Traffic lights, it'll be alright. I say I don't know. These are my backup shoes in case I die, guys. I don't want to fall today. Yeah. I know, I wonder the same. I'm gonna get in a... Actually, it's a tuxedo shop Keith could look at. Yeah. We just got to Derry. Marian's here. Keith went to get his haircut and then we're gonna look for rings. But I just wanna take a look around some shops and hopefully I don't fall with the shoes. I'm so scared. That's kind of bridally. I really entered to see if you have anything bridally, but
bridal? Oh,
yeah. Just to see.
We had before a lot of wedding dresses.
No, really?
Yeah, you getting married?
Yeah.
When are you getting married?
I love.
There's bridal dresses at the back.
I wanted to upcycle stuff, just not necessarily dresses, but like just upcycle.
There's some at the back.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Maybe I see if there is.
Yeah. I mean, what size about the dates?
I have my dress. Yeah. That is amazing. I can't believe it.
Oh, that's very nice.
You know what to do. You can put these in here, and here, and you can hang it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh. Wow.
Just wear a swimsuit underneath us.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I love it.
Yes, 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 yes.
Sorry, Nick.
Woohoo! I knew it. Charity shops never disappoint.
Hello.
Oh, that's this nice lace.
Right, this is a really difficult one for me because, as you know, I'm void of any...
Oh, lovely stuff.
It's so hard to breathe, you know. I'm gonna take it off when we're outside walking because it's getting a bit claustrophobic. So yeah, that fabric shop, great. I got amazing applications for like bridal-ish, you know, shoes or whatever. Just when the inspiration strikes, you're ready to go. And she's looking so handsome. You have the traditional Irish cut. Babe, that looks great. How much was it? How much did they charge? 20? Not so bad. Ah! It's our first time officially looking as a couple for wedding rings. I know you want something Irish. Specifically, like it has to be Irish.
Something Celtic, very nice. Nice something like that.
As long, not just a band, definitely not. As long as it's designed different than what you could find usually, I'm happy now.
Like it has to be something like platinum, something hard.
They are lovely. It's funny how they actually have a section for them, you know? The $7.99.
Here.
But we're getting that, definitely the interlock.
What do you think, baby? Second shop. Will we find something? Our ideal ring? Let's go and see. Thank you. So that one is, oh yeah, I'm just gonna zoom in. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you so much. So, but this one's platinum or platinum?
Palladium.
Palladium. Can you?
The platinum, I could get you a price. I think it's a few £100 more.
Perfect. So they didn't have anything out there like we're looking for, you know? Nothing there. Nothing that would speak to us, huh? What do you think?
I think you have 0.8 carats of time. Is that
So that's today. You know, there have to be lines to go to the stores, and this is a line for Primark. Oh, I mean, not today. Because it's once in a lifetime you do this. How does it feel? That's your ring there.
it could be a bit tighter, but right, I feel it.
Because basically we said it's gonna be the.
We've got to work this.
Yes.
How that pattern works. It's not straightforward at the moment, but yeah.
No, I totally see it. It's abstract, but I
yeah.
understand. Yeah, Derry diamonds. Just small ones, like, could it be about the same size of the tiny ones? Really doesn't.
Yeah.
The tiniest ones.
But it'd be nice to get the same sort of setting. So these are set with 4 beads.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on each one. So
Beads meaning
the claws, the little things.
like these claws. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, these
I
are
see.
bead settings.
So they cannot be that small
Yeah.
then, because you wouldn't. We'll see. That's lovely thought. Yeah.
All right, so we can do that. Okay, and
Perfect.
right.
So after coming up with a design, which I'll show you in a bit, he decided my engagement ring was still too loose, and I can agree. So I had to leave it to resize. That's the first step. This is my engagement ring here, and the inside has a shamrock and a heart. So I was really worried that the resizing would take that away, but he showed me that he can actually make it, and here's the proof. He went to the back to his workshop and came back with this. Oh my god, I was so happy. It is so delightful. I think we found a place to do our wedding rings. That guy knew what he was doing. I'm just so happy, and my ring's not with me because he's gonna resize it. And just when he showed me he could do the shamrock and the heart, like, he went to the back to do it. That was really impressive. So we're just gonna wrap up the day, get ice cream to celebrate. And this is a great place in Derry. I love it. Hello. They're famous for their cloud cone. It was the best day. I really enjoyed it. And it only took us 3 shops to find the rings. That's great. Kinder Bueno, it's the best. Hi guys, we're currently back at the house, and I love Derry. It's such a great town. There's a lot of things to do, a lot of people. Right now it's hard because of the pandemic to like do everything as normal, but it went great. And let me tell you that our goal to get our wedding rings, it was accomplished. And I just can't believe it. I just cannot believe it. It literally took us 3 stores to find the place. I feel like there's a lot of generic stuff out there in the market, and it's okay if you only want a band, something simple, go for it. Keith and I really wanted something different, like some design, something that tells a story basically, and we're really happy. Keith's ring is gonna look something like Celtic. He definitely wants like Irish design, and mine, I really wanted it to fit my engagement ring. Right now I don't have it because it's resizing. But it was really good experience. Basically the guy knew what he was doing. He drew the design, he was straightforward, like it would look something like this. I told him my idea that I wanted to have the shape of the heart. So impressed. So there's that. I think he's a great person to work with. His name was David. Thank you so much for your attention. We're definitely so excited to work with you, and can't wait to see what comes to our rings. It's gonna be really amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Keep on posted. Don't forget to subscribe or to like to support me, and bye.
Darling.